In this video, I will be demonstrating a front loop spike double crochet. In order to have a front loop available to work into, I have done a front loop double crochet row before this row. To do the front loop spike double crochet, place the hook into the front loop of the row below, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two. For the Harlow rug pattern, you'll be skipping a stitch behind and doing a double crochet into the next stitch, and then a front loop spike double crochet in the next stitch. So place the hook into the front loop of the next stitch of the row below, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two.